In this video, we are going to see 6th standard English Unit 1 Lesson 1 Sports Stars. Section 2. Before going to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Shanty town, a poor area. Unfulfilled, unrealized. Determined, will-powered. Consistently, continuously. Prominent, noticeable. In section 1, we saw about Mithali Durairaj. Here, we are going to see a Kabaddi player, Usha Rani. Do you know which is our national game? Yes, Kabaddi is our national game. Let us get into the lesson now. Usha Rani. Usha Rani, Cop-cum Kabaddi champion, rose from shanty town of Sebendrapalaya in Yashwantpur near Bengaluru in Karnataka. Usha Rani, police-cum Kabaddi champion. She is from shanty town. Shanty town means a poor area, slum area. And she belongs to Bengaluru in Karnataka. Armed with mother's unfulfilled dream to become an athlete, she became determined and practiced Kabaddi at Kantirava Stadium every morning, rain or shine. So, her mother wanted to become an athlete, but her dream was unfulfilled. Unfulfilled means unrealized. So, she practiced and she decided to practice Kabaddi and she wanted to be a Kabaddi player. She had a very good willpower and she practiced Kabaddi at the Kantirava Stadium every morning, even rain or shine. As a school child, she grew up watching Kabaddi at a club in front of her house and soon joined the club and started playing Kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. When she was being a school child, she used to watch Kabaddi at a club in front of her house. After that, soon she joined that club and participated in national level sub-junior category. Whenever she was not playing, she was the source of support to her parents and others at home. She used to sell flowers for her daily living and she had to struggle all through her life until she got a job in Karnataka State Police Force. Whenever she was not playing at the time, she used to support her family by selling flowers to lead her daily life. Until she got job in Karnataka State Police Force, she struggled a lot all through her life. She was selected as a police person for her excellence in sports and was the youngest in the Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. Yes, she was very good in sports. So, she was selected as a police person and she was the youngest police in the Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. Do you know, India has won all 6 Women's Kabaddi World Cups played from 2012 to 2017. She was just 29 years old when she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. Yes, when she was 29 years old, she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. She is much acclaimed for her riding skill in Kabaddi. Yes, she is appreciated for her riding skill in Kabaddi. E.S. Sumant, sports officer at Karnataka State Police Sports Promotion Board, says, despite a well-paid job, Usha participated in national level events every year without a miss. E.S. Sumant, sports officer, says that Usha Rani, she is in well-paid job even though she participated in national level events every year without fail. Without missing, she participated in all the events. She is an expert in giving leads and riding opponents and consistently playing a prominent role in the Indian Kabaddi team. Yes, she was very good in riding opponents. Opponents means opposite team. and consistently means continuously playing in Kabaddi team. So she is the noticeable person. Prominent means noticeable. Usha Rani is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. She has also become a role model to her brothers and sisters at home and other fellow sports persons. Yes, she was working very hard every day to win gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018 and she became a role model. Let us see some more information about Usha Rani. Her mother was being a shot put player and father was being a kabaddi player. The 2018 Asian Games were Usha's first chance to represent India abroad. She was the last person to be appointed to the Karnataka police under the sports quota. Her mother name is Puttamma, father name is Narasimha. So children, those who are good in sports, you also work hard to achieve something like Usha Rani and to be a role model for others and do something for our nation. Section 1 video is available in description box.